Hangzhou Tianmai Intelligent Manufacturing Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise. Our main products are electric cylinder for mechanical Jacquard, electronic dobby machine attachment, mechanical Jacquard spare parts or accessories of bonus, style bowl, etc. Our electronic Jacquard attachment range from 400 to 10,240 hooks. It's possible to replace mechanical Jacquard punch card of different modes of the Jacquard machine. Achieve electronic production of the Jacquard machine. Save the lead time of making punch card. Increase efficiency of shuttle and shuttleless loom. This results in design on fabric without the need of punch-the-card lattices, as was required mechanical Jacquard machines.